Real leadership creates real opportunity. Across our city, individuals are working to rebuild their lives through access to training, support, and a path forward. More people are ready for change than House Working and Healthy can currently serve. That's why HWH is expanding, doubling the number of individuals it can support each year. This isn't just job training, it's housing support, mental health care, and workforce development working together, creating lasting stability for individuals, families, and the entire community. On April 23rd, you're invited to be a part of that impact. They're ready. Now they need the opportunity. Will you help make that possible? Become an HWH partner today, and together we will create lasting change, supporting individuals, strengthening families, and building a stronger, healthier community.